Go ahead, Travo.
What is that noise?
Donkey. Was that intentional?
No. Hang on.
Look at that stable. You got it, Trav. Just chuck up a little bit. Shut up.
Hang on.
I did better than that.
Okay.
Hit it straight up and almost
You
like
hit yourself in the face.
I hit it, didn't I? Didn't. Well, he's on the green.
We'll take it.
Dad, you're up.